Hey guys, what's up? Danny here, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a crypto update as of December 1st, 2022. So, right now, Dogecoin, let me just do a quick refresh of Dogecoin. I'll tell you guys what's going on. So, right now, it's actually looks like it's at a key level of resistance, actually, right? So, basically, Dogecoin looks like it's retesting a level of resistance that's around literally 10 cents, right? So, it's very close to that one specific level after, you know, it went up and stuff. So I think that there's potential for it to bounce off of this current price again, after Elon Musk was, you know, doing that type of stuff. So give me 1 second. Let me see. Um, so it does look like, yeah, Dogecoin is going to be, so basically on the European Central Bank, the apparent stabilizations of Bitcoin's value is likely to be an artificially induced last gasp before the crypto asset embarks on a road to irrelevance. Looks at where Bitcoin stands on widespread volatility in the crypto market. So the European Central Bank, again, they're making news actually talking about how Bitcoin is bad. You shouldn't invest into it, and you should definitely just put your money in a bank. But you see, that's just proof that crypto is doing very, very well. The banks hate it, and that's it. Um, yeah, so there's potential for Dogecoin to go down, but I do feel like the chances of it going up are high because I feel like there's something called the Friday effect. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but for Dogecoin, I think on Friday is actually a really good day for it to go up and stuff, right? So it may, right? So it's been going up very, very slowly, right? And it may just skyrocket out of nowhere. We'll see what happens 100%, but it's definitely been doing much better than all other cryptos. And it's just been a long time since the last peak, right? It's been over a year, right? Let's take a look at, you know, so Dogecoin's peak was about a year and 6 months ago, right? So let's do a year and 6 months. Let's see, how was Dogecoin doing here? Okay, a year and 6 months. This was basically in the middle of the last cycle for Dogecoin, right? The cycles, people say they get longer or whatever, but for Dogecoin, I don't think that really counts and stuff. So let's take a look at, yeah, 2019 and whatever, you know. Basically, Dogecoin has already hit its bare minimum price, and it took about one more year for Dogecoin to really ramp up, right? So from now to like in 1 year and stuff, I feel like Dogecoin is really, really going to ramp up because, all this promotion and stuff. The price is very, very low right now. It's literally, the price of Dogecoin literally went down to levels where it was, during the first rally in 2021, which is actually really, really good. So it's definitely at a really, really good price for people to buy. And that's just kind of the pattern of Dogecoin right now, right? We're just like waiting for it to hit this level of resistance of about 10 cents, right? If it goes below 10 cents, then it's going to go down. But if it does not go below 10 cents, I feel like it's going to go up. So that's kind of my price analysis on Dogecoin as of right now. And then let's just take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Let's see how it's doing, right? In the crypto market. Looks like it continues to fall. Wow, look at that yearly chart of Bitcoin. It just continues to fall. It literally just recently made a new low for itself. So, that kind of just shows that, Bitcoin volatility, all that type of stuff is just dying down. And people that are invested into Bitcoin are losing money. The interesting thing is that the price is below the peak that it was at in 2017, which, you know, that's honestly crazy. This is why honestly you shouldn't really be investing into Bitcoin, but it's definitely at a very, very good price. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart. So according to the rainbow chart, let me actually tell you guys what this shows. And according to the rainbow chart, right now Bitcoin is in basically a fire sale. That's what it is. and it never hit the maximum bubble territory as it did before during this cycle, right? The rainbow chart isn't 100% accurate, but I definitely, just want to show this to you guys, you know. So in 2029, it says that Bitcoin is going to be about $1 million, worth about $1 million. So yeah, that's going to be a while. That's a very, very long investment, right? The next halving is gonna happen very, very soon. But yeah, I mean, look, the price action is gonna be unpredictable. That's kind of just the main thing and stuff, right? You know, but we'll see what happens. That's why the rainbow chart isn't 100% accurate. You don't see direct correlation between cycle to cycle. So let's take a look at Ethereum and how it's doing. That's crazy to see how Dogecoin is doing so well compared to all these other cryptos. So yeah, Ethereum also went down a lot. I do think that some cryptos will be outcompeting other cryptos again. Ethereum used to be literally worth as much as Dogecoin. Look at that. It was worth like 50 cents in 2015. That's so crazy. And now it's actually worth just about $1,000. That's actually a really good price to buy Ethereum at. Not even gonna lie. And again, looks like it is worth less than it was at this peak. So these big cryptos look like they're kind of dying down. And again, Dogecoin's up compared to all other cryptos. Very, very good news coming out about it. Let's take a look at Binance Coin. And yeah, it's just like, again, it's not this shows what cryptos are gonna do well and stuff, right? You take a look at Binance and stuff. It had a really, really good look. You see, this is the thing about Binance, compared to all other cryptos and stuff, right? It was listed at 11 cents. Now it's worth like almost $300. Very, very good stuff. And look at how volatile it was. Like back in the day, like 2017 and stuff, it was so volatile, like literally was worth so look, okay, so yeah, the 2018 cycle hit and Binance went from about being $1 to $20. So that's like a 20x, right? Yeah, that's like a 20x. So basically, after the peak, let's actually compare Binance to Dogecoin. Why not? I think that'll actually be very interesting to compare the two cryptos. So basically, yeah, so Binance hit the peak, and then over time, it took about a year, and the price was still very, very low. And then eventually, it started going back up, and it actually went up to a very, very good extent. So it was very, very volatile. So that's kind of the potential for Dogecoin too. Dogecoin has the same potential, I feel like, to just like go up, even though it was like a bear cycle for Bitcoin. But look at that. Binance managed to go from $5 all the way to $35. That's a 7x increase in price. That's pretty good, even in a bear cycle. And look right now, you see the confidence for Binance, it's not at the lowest price like Ethereum or Bitcoin. So obviously, this crypto is doing very, very well and surviving in this bear market. This bear market is really showing what cryptos are surviving or not. And XRP, I feel very, very bad for this crypto because people really thought that it was going to spike up so much, but it really didn't. That never happened. And XRP is literally at the same price that it was back in 2020. So trading crypto, very, very risky game. Let's just say that. Yeah. Um, Cardano. Let's just compare it to other cryptos. So yeah, it's decreasing very, very much. That's actually so crazy. The bull cycle for it was really, really good, but then like people had to end up selling it and stuff, and it's at a very low price right now. Yeah. I'm gonna look around right now for like a bunch of cryptos and stuff, and I just kind of want to compare other cryptos to Dogecoin, kind of to just see. Polygon's actually doing very well too, right? It did hit a bottom price, but it's not that low. It's really not that low. It's definitely persevering in this bearish market, right? Um, Again, yeah, as you see, it's up by 7%. That's really good. Let's take a look at Chainlink, another crypto that Okay, it's kind of just stable right now. It's very slow price action. I feel like the smallest cryptos definitely they're going to be the most high risk, and those are the ones that are going to go up the most. But I do feel like it might be one more year. Uh, but I do think that there's going to be a spike in Bitcoin, a spike in all cryptos. It might, Bitcoin might not reach its peak in 2022. I mean 2023, but um, yeah. Honestly, we'll see what happens. Quant, all these smaller cryptos with a smaller market cap, these are the ones that have the highest potential to spike unexpectedly because not a lot of people are invested into them, right? Less people are rich, that's the better. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, this crypto did the same thing as Binance. It definitely went up mid 2019, which was actually a year and 6 months after the last bull cycle. So we'll see what happens with Dogecoin. Hopefully it goes up a lot. Elon Musk obviously trolling the media and everything all the time. So yeah, this crypto is kind of bad. Wow, that's honestly so crazy. Yeah, investing into crypto is a very, very risky game because Terra was a very good crypto, but look what happened. That thing just went to zero and it was in the top 10. So again, risky game, everything like that. We just got to take a breather and realize that Dogecoin is persevering in this bear market, and I think this is like the best crypto right now. Obviously, it's up by so much, and all this good news coming out about it. Hopefully it could go up within the next year, and people that have money in Doge could make some money. Shiba Inu compared to Doge. Let's take a look at it, and look at that. It's literally at the same levels that it was mid 2021 when it had that big cycle. During the next cycle, though, I feel like there's very, very high potential for it, potentially more potential than Dogecoin, because there's less people invested into it with a market cap of only 5 billion compared to Dogecoin's market cap of 13 billion. Uh, yeah, so we'll see. We'll see what happens, but you know, we're still in this bearish cycle. Everybody, stay confident. Invest into Binance Coin. Invest into Dogecoin. Polygon, another good crypto. That's just in my opinion. So, um, don't take my word for it, but just you know, take everything I say with a grain of salt. But I am confident on crypto. Hopefully tomorrow, Dogecoin stays at a good level and it ends up skyrocketing. So that's it. Um, so there's a crypto sanction that's currently going into the equation. Washington lawmakers hold on to crypto holdings despite calls for new laws in wake of FTX collapse. CFTC commissioner wants two-tier crypto rules for retail investors and millionaires. Crypto crisis, the latest on FTX, Bitcoin person digital. Brazil legalizes Bitcoin. Coinbase to delist XRP. Wow, that's crazy. Coinbase is delisting XRP. That is so sad. Everybody was so confident in XRP, and look at what's happening now. Wow. It's definitely a very, very hard time for a lot of people, and a lot of people are getting scammed. So that's it, guys. It's a very, very hard game out here for people. Yeah, Bitcoin struggling to resurge. Ethereum has seen better days. Yeah, that's basically the news right now. We're in a bear market. What can I say, guys? But just be patient. Hold your crypto. Don't sell that shit. If you have crypto, if you have your money invested into other cryptos, I recommend investing into Dogecoin. That's all I gotta say. Hope you guys have a great day, and peace out.